Hi guys, magandang araw sa inyo, no? Pasensya na, ngayon lang ulit ako nakapag-vlog kasi ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ulit ng content, and yung content ko ngayon is short unboxing, and maglalaro tayo ng Flight Simulator X, yung 2006 edition. Yan, hindi ko muna nabili yung bago kasi medyo out of budget pa tayo dyan, tsaka medyo mahal, and ito gusto ko muna magsimula Flight Simulator X. So bago natin malaro yun, kailangan muna natin no joystick para maayos tayo makapaglaro, and nakapagpabili na ako ngayon, and gusto ko ipakita sa inyo yung pinabili kong Logitech na joystick. So ito na siya. Drum roll please. Joke lang. Ayan, thank you Data Blitz. Ayan. Thank you pala Papa. Ayan. Ito na siya. Okay. Tanin! Logitech Extreme 3D Pro. So ayan, bibili ako nito para makapag-flight simulator na ako na maayos. Ayan lang naman siya ilabas. So ayan, ilalim. Ayan. Okay. Okay, what's in the box? Joystick, tsaka user documentation. What you need: Windows 8, Windows 7, or Windows Vista. 70 MB of available hard disk space. USB port, tsaka internet connection para sa mga software download or updates kung meron man. So halos 1.8 siya, 1.8 yung presyo niya, no? Tumingin pa ako ng ibang brand ng mga joystick. Yung isang Thrustmaster, mas mahal, pero hindi ko alam bakit, pero alam ko for PS4 yun, pero alam ko pwede rin ito pang PS4, pero talagang for gagamitin ko ito para sa PC, and hindi ko alam bakit siya mas mahal. Ang nakita ko kasi pwede siyang, ito nahihiwalay yung throttle tsaka yung joystick mismo, parang nahihiwalay siya. So ewan ko ba, baka dahil dun kaya siya nagmahal, pero otherwise okay na to. Logitech din naman kasi. So yun, tama ng daldalan, buksan na natin. Ayan, buksan na natin. Wait lang ah. Ayan na guys, yung laman. Ano bang? Ito. Okay. Ayun na. Dito sa gilid. Tanggal tatak ko. Ayan. Tapos maingat. Box. At yan. Ay, ako pala. Wait lang. Whee! Ayan. Box na. Alright. Ayan. Ito yung joystick. Ito yung kanyang manual. Wait lang, pato ko na sa table. Aking joystick, pasensya na, magulo ang aking table. Then kanyang manual. Ganyan pa. So yun lang naman yung laman ng box. Nga lang ganun ka-special yung laman ng box. Ayusin ko na lang mamaya. Pero otherwise yan. Yan na yung ating joystick. So pakita ko sa inyo.
Okay. Use, ano ba ito pwede? Ay, wait lang. Okay. Try natin. Oh, good. All right. Oh. 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 Alright. Alright. Saan na ako pupunta? Oh, yeah. Ayan. Alright. Ayun. Okay. Change pala ng ganun. Okay. So, yan. Alright. Natry nga natin landing. Woo! Balogin. Oh. Oh. Paano yun? Okay. Alam na. Alright. So, yun. Lang palitan ko.
On screen right now, you can see the knee board. All of the instructions in this tutorial are recorded on the messages page. The briefing page displays the mission briefing. To close the knee board, click the X in the upper right corner. To open it again, press Shift F10. You're sitting in an Air Creation Trike Ultralight at the end of runway 15 at Edwards Air Force Base in California. This is one of the longest runways in the world, the same runway the space shuttle sometimes lands on. In missions, you can navigate using the mission compass and the mission pointer. See the gauge in the upper left corner of the screen? That's the mission compass. The little triangle on the outside of the rotating heading indicator points to the selected objective or item of interest. The text below the indicator tells you the name of the objective, its altitude above sea level, as well as your distance from it.
Okay.
See the big marker in front of you? That's the mission pointer. It points to objectives or items of interest. In some missions, there will be more than one objective or item of interest. You can change which item the mission compass and pointer point to by pressing the K key. You can hide the mission compass and pointer by pressing the U key. To look around, move the hat switch on top of your joystick, or press and hold the space bar, then move the mouse to look around. Feel free to experiment by looking around your aircraft now. You can also try different views by pressing the F9, F10, F11, and F12 keys. When you're done experimenting with views, press 1 to progress to the next phase of this tutorial.
Okay.
You can control an aircraft in Flight Simulator by using a joystick, a universal controller, the mouse, or the arrow keys on the keyboard. Time to go flying. You're going to start the engine, release the brakes, take off, fly through some gates, and then land again. First, move the throttle to idle. If you don't have a joystick or a universal controller, press the F1 key. Next, start the ultralight's engine. Press Ctrl E or click the ignition switch on the instrument panel. You can control the throttle using the throttle lever on a joystick, by pressing buttons on a universal controller, or by pressing the F1, F2, F3, and F4 keys on the keyboard. The instructions in this tutorial are generalized to apply to any of these methods. Now, release the parking brake. Pull the trigger button on your joystick, or press the period key.
Pull the trigger button and...
Ready for takeoff? Smoothly advance the throttle to full. If you don't have a joystick, press the F4 key. Taking off is easy. At about 30 miles per hour, gently pull the stick towards you, and the aircraft will fly off the runway.
Wait lang. Oh, yeah. Alright.
Pull back on the stick a bit. Congratulations, you're flying.
Wow!
Pull back gently on the stick and climb a bit to fly through the first gate you see in front of you. Great! Now climb a bit more and fly through the second gate. Now reduce the throttle a bit and slow down. The next gate is a little lower than the last one, and you'll be landing once you get through it. Good job. Now reduce the throttle all the way and use the stick to adjust your descent rate. Pull back slightly on the stick and level out. Try to float over the runway as long as possible. Now brake. Pull the trigger on your joystick or press the period key. Come to a complete stop. Nice landing. Press escape to end the mission or take off again to explore on your own.
Apa? Alright. Pa.
Pakita ko rin pero hindi ko masyadong makita reaction ko. Pero masaya naman. Medyo mahirap na sa una pero carry lang. So hanggang dito na lang muna. Pag lalaro muna ako, update ko na lang siguro or upload na lang ako ulit. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe yung video na to. No? Ring nyo na rin yung bell. And I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye! So hanggang dito na lang itong vlog na to, no? Ingat lagi and stay safe. Lagi mag-suot na face shield, face mask, and wala alcohol. And see you on my next vlog. Ingat.
So guys, nung ini-edit ko tong vlog, no, pangit pala nung naging ending ko, no? Hindi masyadong klaro. So ulitin ko na lang. At kung mapapansin nyo, kalbo na ako kasi ilang araw na nakalipas na hindi ko pa natapos i-edit, ngayon ko pala natapos. At siguro kung mapapansin nyo sa next vlog ko ay nagawa ko na yung next vlog ko talaga. Ngayon, nung natapos ko lang kanina, ngayon tinapos ko muna itong i-edit para pagka na-upload ko na, i-edit ko naman yan. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe if nagustuhan nyo itong video. Please, sana nagustuhan nyo, no? And i-ring nyo din itong notification bell para lagi kayong updated. Ingat kayo lagi. Power. God bless. Bye!